The loading bay system consists of dock shelter, dock leveler, and overhead door. Dock shelter is used to control environmental factors in warehouse while loading and unloading goods from container. Overhead door is commonly used in warehouse, factory and workshop because of thermal insulation and wind load resistance. Dock leveler is used to adjust the height of the warehouse floor surface with the height of the truck when it docks at the loading dock, facilitating the loading and unloading of goods in a convenient and safe manner. Signal light helps providing information to truck drivers and warehouse staff, enhancing safety and efficiency in the loading bay system. Wheel guides help guiding driver while reversing. To ensure efficient and safe an export and import process, we would like to introduce you our loading bay system, and how to operate it. The first, we open the door of container. For loading bay system that is dock shelter, we should open container doors first. Container truck reverses into loading bay. Wheel guides will help driver to stay on track to reduce risk of collision with loading bay. When container reverses into dock shelter, it will be sealed off from external environment. Dock shelter will provide an excellent level of seal between the internal and external environment of the dock. Rubber bumpers are used to protect the loading dock and building from damage caused by trucks and trailers when reverse. There is almost no light shining into the space between the loading system and the container. In addition, loading dock shelter can also prevent rainwater when in position. When vehicle is in position for loading goods, outside signal light turns red. The inside signal's light turn green. Loading bay system is ready for loading or unloading goods. Start open overhead door. Press the up button on the control panel to open the door. Then adjust the light to shine into container in case of insufficient light. Press and hold button on the control panel to start the dock leveler. Dock lip is completely rested on container floor. Our dock leveler operates very smoothly. Our dock leveler is designed for the best connection between dock house and container. The forklift start load good into container. After finish loading goods, the forklift move out container. After the forklift move out, we press and hold the button to return the dock leveler to store state. And then, press the down button on control panel to close the overhead door. After door closed, the inside signal light turn red, and outside signal light turns green. Allow the container moves away from loading bay systems. close stores of container. Why loading bay systems of Navidock safety? In automatic mode, if there is no container truck in loading bay, signal light remains red and we cannot open overhead door. You press the up button but the door is not working. When in manual mode or sensor outside is broken. If door is not opened, you still cannot operate dock leveler. Therefore, loading bay system of Navidock is absolutely safe for workers and export/import process. If you want to know further detailed information, please feel free to contact us. Navidock Docking Equipment Systems, Navidock.vn. Thanks for watching video.